Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, how can we really leverage AI to become smarter, faster, more successful? Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's already reshaping industries, and it's about to reshape you. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to leverage AI real, practical, and ready for now. Number 1. Augmenting human skills. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to augment you. It can automate routine tasks, freeing you to focus on creative work, strategy, and connection. For example, businesses are using AI to analyze massive data streams, then handing human teams the insights, not the grunt work. So you leverage AI by making it your co-pilot, not your competitor. Number 2. Making smarter decisions. Every day, we face decisions, small ones, big ones. AI can help you make smarter decisions faster, whether it's in marketing, operations, or personal growth. With predictive analytics and natural language processing, AI can spot patterns you'd never catch on your own. When you leverage AI this way, you turn data into action, and action into results. Number 3. Creating new opportunities. The biggest advantage: AI doesn't just improve what exists, it creates what didn't. New professions, new markets, new ways of working are emerging because of AI. When you learn to leverage AI, you position yourself not just in the game, you lead it. So here's your moment. Ask yourself, how will you leverage AI next week, next month, next year? Drop a comment below with hashtag AI Ready if you're ready to take the leap. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe and share with someone who's ready to lead the future, because the future won't wait. You have to catch up.